Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 31st of July to the 3rd of August 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, trade watch list, our trade idea for the week, a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For further information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. Over the last week, one of the best performing markets has been oil, posting the biggest weekly gain on record this year. Oil prices surged and edged higher on Friday, reaching 2-month highs, posting the strongest weekly percentage gains this year on signs of market rebalancing. In fact, Brent crude oil managed to break above the 200-day moving average for the first time since May. WTI crude oil ended Friday's session up 1.4% to $49.71 a barrel, and it surged 8.6% in the last week. Brent crude oil closed Friday's session up 2% at $52.50 a barrel, soaring more than 9% on the week. Hedge funds also increased their net long position, the most bullish they have been in 3 months, increasing net longs by 11%. Support came in last week for oil after the drawdown in domestic inventories. US crude inventories fell more significantly than expected, whilst the world's biggest oil exporter, Saudi Arabia, said it would further reduce oil output in the month of August. So with that, we'll move over to the charts and we'll have a look at the price structure of oil as we go into a fresh week. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. Our trade idea of the week is going to be focused on both WTI crude oil and also Brent crude oil. The first thing you'll notice here on WTI crude oil is the fact that we are currently sitting above the 200-day moving average. And in fact, just this morning, we retested $50 per barrel here. If WTI crude oil closes above the 200-day moving average this week, we could see additional follow through back towards the next key levels of resistance. Additional follow through here for oil would likely result in the oil price accelerating and retesting the upper end of these boundaries. The next level being $51 per barrel. Above that would be the 52 zone. Those are the next key levels of resistance here. And that would mean approximately 100 to 200 point move or $1 to $2 move higher here for US oil. In the short term here, oil is starting to get overbought, so you need to be nimble around these levels. The other trade idea that I would look at here as well would be the potential in the coming days, which could be a result of Tuesday's API data and also Wednesday's crude oil inventories, which could provide certainly volatility here for oil. And I would also be looking at the trade opportunity of pullbacks to be treated as buying opportunities at the moment. So essentially pullbacks for US oil here back between the $46 to $47 per barrel zone would likely be good buying opportunities. So essentially buying into pullbacks. Now, for those of you who are a little bit more nimble and you're day traders, the way I would look at this market in the short term would be momentum to the upside, which we could see follow through in the early part of this week, resolving a possible overbought condition here. So we might see that on API data or oil inventories this week. If we develop any rejection candles, that might see short-term follow through to the downside, resolving this overbought condition here, which would then set up in the following. So it would set up for a short-term buy opportunity, and then after we've resolved this overbought condition, taking advantage of a short-term sell short opportunity, and then reversing position yet again and getting back long on any additional pullbacks that then get supported. Now moving over to Brent crude oil, like WTI crude oil, it has also broken above the $50 per barrel level, and in fact it is closed above the 200-day moving average on Friday, and it's getting a bid at this level level on Monday as well. Similar situation to WTI crude oil, where we could see additional momentum here, taking this price back up to the next major levels of resistance overhead. In terms of a trade idea here for Brent crude oil, short term, I'm looking for additional follow through to the upside, taking it back towards the 53 to 55 zone, and then I would look for a resolution of an overbought condition, a correction which would likely be able to be traded intraday, a pullback, resolving this overbought condition, and then setting up again for a good buying opportunity. We also have several additional news items coming out over the next week which provide really good trading opportunities. That includes Friday's non-farm payroll. That can give some really good opportunities to a number of commodity markets. We've seen the US dollar break down significantly last week off the back of weaker than expected GDP data. The US dollar broke down to 13-month lows, which again is providing more support for a number of commodities including gold, silver, and also oil. So we have Friday non-farm payroll data, which could be explosive, provides some additional big opportunities for oil here. Oil is the most heavily traded commodity in the world. As a result, it provides frequent trading opportunities. If you would like to find out the exact trades that we will be taking at the Gold and Silver Club, get access to our daily live trade ideas, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session and we will give you full details of how you can make an application and become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included gold, oil, and also wheat. For those of you who watched last week's analysis, we talked about gold and silver and the potential for further upside over the last week. So we've capitalized on that breakout and surge, both on last week's FOMC statement and also off weaker than expected GDP numbers as well, banking 200 points profit on our gold long position. We've also benefited from the recent strength and breakout here on oil prices, banking 175 points profit on WTI crude oil. Over the last couple of weeks, we've continued to see this momentum to the downside with wheat here, giving back the majority of its gains over the month of July here, banking us 280 points profit on our sell short. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our Private Members Live Trading Room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our Private Members Live Trading Room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.